If you're tired fighting for $4 orders, if you're tired waiting in the drive-thrus, and if you feel like everybody and their grandma's on DoorDash, this video is for you. There are apps right now that people are using to make real money, online and offline, and nobody's talking about it. So let's get into it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Hit the like and subscribe button below, because I already know you're gonna like this. What's going on, people? It's been a while. Hope you all are doing well today. I finally got a new camera. So your boy's gonna start pumping out this content in high quality videos now. So this should be great, you know. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's been a minute. My birthday just passed last week. So your boy's 1 year older. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate all the love and support for those who knew. And those who didn't, you know now. So I wanted to come on here and give you guys some apps that are not the typical DoorDash and Uber Eats. You know, those apps are saturated and folks think that those are the only apps that you can make money out here, but there aren't. There are apps that you can use online and offline that can help skyrocket your earnings. You just got to be willing to take on different challenges and sign up for different apps. The first app that I got for you guys is Rover. Rover is a app that specializes in walking dogs. So if you like dogs and like animals, that'd probably be a really good app for you. You know, you can set your own rates. I think you can babysit dogs too, but it's a really good platform if you like to walk dogs. That's not your typical Uber Eats and DoorDash. I don't hear anybody talking about that, but you can make some consistent money depending on your area. But Rover is a good app to start off this video with. The next one we got is TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is really good for if you like to do assembling, if you like to assemble furniture, if you like to mount TVs, help people move, this is the app for you. You know, you set your own rates, just like Rover, you set your own rates, but on this app, you can make a little bit more money because the tasks are bigger. So if you're interested in assembling furniture or mounting TVs, moving, this is the app for you. Next app, we got Turo. Now, Turo isn't as popular as it used to be, but you can still make money on this app. If you have a vehicle that you don't mind renting out, this can be a good money maker. It also depends on the area that you live. The more metropolitan area, downtown areas, you probably rent out your vehicles a lot more than rural areas. But if you don't mind renting your personal vehicle, that's what this app is known for. Using your vehicle to rent. People can come and use your vehicle for a couple days a week. It's all, you can set your rates on the app, but this is also a good money maker if you are in a good area. The next one we got is Fiverr. Fiverr is really good for creating digital apps. It's really good for people who are tech savvy, who know how to create. If you want to create thumbnails, video editing, voiceovers, this is the app for you. It was popular back in the day. I see that it's making a resurgence. So if you have any good technical skills with video editing, creating logos, Fiverr is a good app. So I would sign up for that app if you have the technical skills. You can set your rates too, but I remember you set your rates little at first, and then the more clients you get, the more ratings you get, the more you can start to charge customers. So this is a good app for those who are tech savvy. The next one we got, this is an offline one. It's Upwork. If you're trying to escape the gig apps, if you're trying to get long-term clients and make money that way, Upwork is the platform to use. There's bigger contracts and higher pay on this app. So if you are trying to focus on long-term work, this is the app that you use. The next one we got, the infamous Airbnb. If you got space in your crib, if you got an extra house, this is an extra way to make money. So this is not, there's nothing else to say with this one. You got extra space, you can rent out a room on the Airbnb app, or if you have multiple properties or you have a property that you would like to rent out, Airbnb is the place to be. And if you're getting value from this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to further support the channel, click the links down below. Buy me a coffee. And for the last one I got for you guys is Nextdoor. Nextdoor is a community app. It's a local app. If you have a skill or trade and you want to provide your service, this is a platform that you use to let other people know that you do that kind of work, and they can hire you through this app. If you do landscaping, if you're a plumber, if you do car detailing, this app is for you. Anything with a trade, people looking for services, use Nextdoor. If you have it in your area, if this app is in your market, go ahead and download it. If you have any of those skills or trades, you go ahead and use this one. There you go, guys. Those are some apps that are paying people more money than Uber Eats and DoorDash, you know? And you also have medical courier. That's another thing. You know, there's a lot of options out here that we can use to our advantage to make money. Can't keep relying on these apps. Like I stated in my video before, I got deactivated from Uber, and to no fault of my own, but that's just the way that these things work sometimes. You gotta sometimes step outside your box and do a little more to get a little more. Don't get comfortable and think that these apps are gonna be around for forever. These DoorDash and Uber Eats, no. These are third-party apps, and at any time you can be replaced. And that's the scary part about it. You can use these apps as your main income, and in one day, done. So if I was you guys, I would make sure not only am I multi-apping and signing up for multiple apps, but I'm also finding work offline and not basing everything I'm doing on just these apps. But that's all I got for you guys today. We'll be dropping more videos. Got this new camera. We're gonna get it in 2026. Until next time, it's your boy AD signing out. Peace out.